Right, James, enough of the break. Time to start your next video. Alright, my voiceover guy, don't rush me. Well, your break's been going on for too long now. It's only been a week, my voiceover guy, and I did tell you that I would be taking a week break from doing videos. Well, it doesn't feel like it's been a week to me. It feels like it's been longer than that. Well, it has been a week, so be quiet. Anyway, guys, here is my first video back from my week break. Roll it.
Hello, we're at the railway station in Dublin. It's cold and it's been raining. It's 9 o'clock on Sunday the 17th of November 2019. We're here today because I'm doing a Trainspotting video. And I'm not doing it here, I'm going to be doing it at York. And I'm going to catch an LNER train there to do it. This is Trains at York.
Featuring Hornby And Trains and 61306 Mayflower.
Let's go. So, here's the train approaching. It's an LNER HST. It's 43314 this morning.
Market passengers joining the service here at Darlington, this is your LNER. For London King's Cross, service will now call at York, Doncaster, Peterborough, due to arrive and terminate into London at 12:57.
Before actually doing Trainspotting at York Railway Station, I made a visit to the York NRM, that's the York National Railway Museum, which is just next to the station.
There's an old Class 43 train being replaced by one of these. the Class 800 Hitachi train. Now these are Class 373 E300s, and they're being replaced by Class 374 E320 trains. And this is the bullet train that runs from Tokyo and runs in Japan. And we're gonna go and have a peek at it on the inside. There's the Mallard, which still holds the world record of reaching 125 miles per hour, making it the fastest distance for a steam train to go. So over here are models of very old locomotives featuring the Mallard in a green livery.
Or maybe it was another loco. Maybe it was 60009 Union of South Africa. Well, yes, it could have been my voiceover guy. Anyway, we also have
a flying Scotsman, a Class 91 and an Intercity 125 Class 43 HST. And over this way is Sir Nigel Presley, still under restoration, as it's been under restoration for a long time, and it's home to the North Yorkshire Moors Railway. There's also a miniature railway here, and that was the sound of a train horn. So they even have a train that goes back and forth. It's a brake van ride that goes back and forth from here. So I've been to here, round here, and round here. The only place I haven't been to is here, which is the view where you can see trains, and we'll see a few trains
from here,
and then we'll go to the railway station. Thanks for that. Don't know where it's off to, but it's 82-200 on the rear. Five, 82-222. 91 127 to London King's Cross. Okay, 82 224 to London King's Cross. It's an LNER. And 91 125 to Sondalia. Okay, leaving York Station now is an LNER HST 43 290 on the front. And 43 208 on the rear.
And then I headed over to York Station to meet Hornby and Trains. Now, even though he came along when Trainspotting at York Station, we didn't meet when I was at the museum, as he was only coming along to Trainspot and to see 61306 Mayflower. Anyway, make sure to give him a sub if you haven't done so already. And now that we're going to York for the Trainspotting, this is where the real fun begins.
Arriving at a Grand Central service to London King's Cross, and goodness knows what the number is. Unlike many Atalantes, they don't have their number plate on the front as well as the sides. They've got it on the sides but not on the front for some inexplicable reason. Okay, departing is a Grand Central service to London King's Cross. 180. I have no idea, actually. There's no number.
Also, you will have noticed that we moved to a different spot. This is because the rest of the Trainspotting was going to be done from that part of the station.
Okay, coming in now is an LNER HST to London King's Cross. It sounds like we've got another HST coming. Yes, he did a wave! Oh, I couldn't catch that number. Okay, anyways, LNER HST off to Inverness. On the rear of this is 43296. 800 102. To London King's Cross, and it should get there, I'd imagine, in about an hour and a half or so. Now it is in diesel power because there's no electric lines between here and Leeds. But it was going to Liverpool Lime Street. Okay, now departing now is a 158. Thanks. 158 905. Arriving in now is an LNER HST to London King's Cross, and it's 43306, and I shall get the rear on her departure. Okay, coming in now is a cross-country service bound for Glasgow Central. 221121. And while I've got it running, here comes 43306 to London King's Cross on an LNER HST. And on the rear is, it's coming, 43251. And it should get there in about 2 hours or so. Okay, coming in now is a 155. It is 155347 from goodness knows where. It should be from Hull or from somewhere else. So 155 is just there, and I'll keep it running because coming in is a class 91225.
Of course it's coming in here, isn't it?
Well, it's either coming into this platform or that one over there. Yo, yes, it's coming in. Let's prepare for the...
Oh, stalker!
113.
It's my stalker! 91113! No! Oh, I didn't get that on camera.
Don't worry, I did.
That is literally my stalker.
91113.
91113. That is my stalker. I've seen it many.
Okay, I'll keep it running. And it's 82201 on the rear. It's cross country. 221132. Okay, time now is 68027 to Liverpool Line Street. Transpennine Express. Okay, it's got a 91101 Flying Scotsman livery. And on the rear is 82215 to goodness knows where. Okay, 82210 to London King's Cross is a 225. And oh look, it's got coach markings on the top of it.
Only 6 of...
Okay, 82210 shall be departing. But anyway, the 91 I will get numbered when she departs.
I could knock her over.
Okay, look, it's the rainbow livery LNER 91121. I thought it might be one that still has a bit of the East Coast livery on it. And look at those sparks. Goodness knows where that's going. It's 155347. Oh, it's going to Hull. Okay, coming in is a 158872. We'll have to get it. Okay, departing now is class 43 HST. I was told that it was class 43206. And it looks like the Mayflower's coming as well. But here comes 43316. Great two-tone cross country. And now coming is the Mayflower 61306. Much better. And on the rear of this is a West Coast Railways class 47804. Okay, approaching now is going to be an LNER Azuma 2 London Key's Cross. It's an 800 113. Coming in is an Azuma. We're going to catch this one back to Durham. 800 108. That is the day of train spotting with my friend Hornby And Trains, and I have done a lot of footage today.
Hello and welcome on board this LNER Azuma to Aberdeen.
It's not going to Aberdeen, it's going to Waverley. But anyway,
we will call at Darlington, Durham, Newcastle, Edinburgh, Waverley and Aberdeen.
it must have got confused. only going as far as
The next station will be Darlington.
as I've been told.
CCTV is in operation on this service for your safety and security. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to our onboard team or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
And anyway,
It is.
the end of this video, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.
Thank you.